here. Just be doing something.
Hi. So what are you doing?
Nothing. You?
Nothing. Did you ace that math test?
No.
You did that. You know that one thing about like the diamonds plus the like
Gold
plus
or
the
whatever.
Gold, yeah. Like I still didn't get that.
I did. It was silver. Wait. Is it silver time?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Hey, what do you have next?
Cereal?
We have cereal? Okay.
What are you talking
I
about?
have PE. Do you want to go to PE with me?
Sure.
'Cause we're doing Kung Fu in there.
Oh.
Okay,
You want
ready?
to teach me Kung Fu?
Yeah. Okay. You ready?
I'm good at this Kung Fu stuff.
You're good. Good. You did not just do that, girl.
Arr.
Arr. Okay, we probably should go home.
Do our rooms.
Let's go to sleep.
Ah, sleeping good. I snored.
Shut up.
Pillow fight. Yay. I dropped my pillow.
So did
Go pick it up. Got it.
Time for breakfast, girl. Okay.
You know I'm better at carrying a pillow than you are.
Yeah, right. We have to go get some breakfast.
I hold it sexier.
Let's go get some breakfast. Okay.
Tanya, you should be ashamed of yourself. Ew.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
That is so not even ladylike. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, now you can go to the bathroom. Woo!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What?
What was that smell?
I think it was you. 'Cause I just went to the bathroom. Felt so good. Yep.
I know, it smells like apples.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Okay, let's